Here we go. Out here I gotta put some 90-degree boots on these spark plug wires for the Camaro. Sitting out there on the trailer. The boots on them are kind of messed up for the headers, so I'm gonna show you how I do it real quick. Straight boots, need to put 90s on them. This right here, rip it off. See, that's what you're left with. Take your spark plug crimpers, trim some of that off. It's a little trick I learned. It's the boot. Take some kind of lube, spray it in there. Some on the wire. Just make a big mess while you're at it too. Stick it through the hole. Push that old girl in as far as you can get it. Now you'll have a little bit of the wire sticking out here. This is the trick. This is where you take your needle nose pliers, grab a hold of it, and break it, of course. But you should be able to pull the wire through. Nope. Sometimes you gotta work it. Oh, there we go. Boom, that's what you're left with. Wipe her down, she's got a big old mess. There you go. So now I'm gonna trim a little bit of this end, a little janky. See, here's the other end. I always want to try to orient them to where they're both kind of the same. So I'll take this wire here, bend it back, slide the new end on, like so. You see the wire there is up, bent up behind. And I'll stick it in my crimper end right there. Like so. Slide it back a little bit. Just give her a crimp. Give it a little bit of spray. And just pull back through easy. Try to keep it straight if you can. Boom. It's in there. That's how you do it. Ends on the wires. Only got about 4 more to go. Thanks for watching.